right, so we have a nice fun AirGlide. This is going to give you, well, you can obviously smooth and straighten with it, but it gives the most beautiful beachy waves, like the modern waves.
Love that.
Nothing you can't get with a curling iron.
Okay.
That's fun.
Oh.
But here's the thing. So we're going to use it at the default setting because your hair's highlighted, which is 350, plenty of heat. You can go up as high as 430, but I don't want you to. And then this fan, we're going to have that on.
What does the fan do?
So that's the cool air that's blowing out. So it's going to set the curl because you'll have the heat and the cool.
Okay.
Plus it takes the heat away right away. So we're not going to have damage to the hair.
Yeah, we
Sound
can't.
good?
Right. I need some help, but I love beach waves. So teach me how to do them.
Okay, let me show you.
Yeah.
So Jill, I always like to comb through the section. I think it's important, right?
Okay.
I have about like a 2-inch by 1-inch section. That's going to give me a little bit more wave. But
Okay.
I'm going to also show you, we can take bigger sections and do, bigger waves, whatever
So I
we
can
want.
do this from air dried hair.
Yes, that's the
Okay.
best part. Because all we're going to do is where I have the hair pinched, these two plates we're going to open up and put it in right there. I can go right to the root to smooth that a little bit. Start the wave wherever I want. I'm going to start it right about there. And all I'm doing is letting this glide through. See how that, by spinning it, I'm going to have a little bit more of a curl.
Okay.
See that?
Oh, okay.
So that one was like a full circular spin.
Yeah.
But if I do more of a half spin like this,
Okay.
and then a half spin again,
Okay.
and then just finish off, that's more of a wave.
Yeah. Okay, so is this section okay?
You comb that through.
Comb
Perfect.
through. Okay. And then I come up.
Open
I
up.
open these up, right? And go in like this and just turn. It's that easy?
Yeah, just glide through. The more you turn, or the less you turn, is how big the curl is. Ooh.
Stop.
So I'm just going to comb through the bang. And so on the bang, like we don't have to do a curl as well. Like I can bring it in here, smooth that out some, and just kind of flick it like a curtain bang.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so obviously, you could just use this to run it down and go straight, right?
Right, okay.
Right? So that's simple and easy. But you can also do a Hollywood wave. So that's a wave that goes in this direction.
Yeah. I always wondered how to do that.
So all you're going to do is you're going to go half turn and then half turn and then half turn.
Seriously.
So Jill, also, you can start the curl as high as you want. Like we've been starting it halfway down.
Right.
But you can start spinning right at that root.
Okay.
If you want more curl in your hair, like if you
Okay.
want to do a different style that has a lot more curl, you just come through the same way. You just start a lot higher.
Okay.
See, and then it's from.
Oh, wow.
So we've been doing all the 1-inch, 2-inch section.
Okay.
But don't hesitate. Like even especially second day hair.
Oh,
If
wow.
you want to come in a
okay.
bigger section, because it's a big section, you gotta move a little slower.
Okay.
Let that heat get on all that hair.
Wow.
But you can do a bigger section and just have a looser curl.
I
on the
never
edge.
thought it. Oh, my God. Are you kidding?
All right, Jill, so all you have to do is let it dry by itself. And then you'll use the AirGlide.